Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about 6 skincare and hair care products that I'm currently loving, and all these skincare products come under 500 rupees. So without wasting any time, let's see what the products are. First on the list is this hydrating gel cream from Simple. I started using this product recently and it is such a good moisturizer. It is lightweight but it hydrates the skin very well. It adds a little bit of moisturization also, but the hydration provides is so good. It hydrates my skin so well. This is from their water boost line. They say that it offers long lasting and deep hydration, which is kind of true because I am using this product. Now coming to the main ingredients of the product, they have used mainly humectants like glycerin, some glycols to add a lot of hydration, and they have a little bit of moisturizing ingredients here and there. So this product is mainly targeted to provide a lot of hydration along with a little bit of moisturization into the skin, and it has got a little bit of silicones also. So it has got this very lightweight texture. So yeah, I like this product. I am using this in the summertime. I have combination skin and this is working perfectly well on my skin. So if you have got combination skin, you can definitely give this one a try. Now coming to the next product, it is a gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil. When my skin barrier is badly damaged, I got this product and I love this product so much. The ingredients are very minimal. It has got hydrating ingredients, niacinamide and panthenol to soothe the skin, and very mild and gentle cleansers. It feels like a moisturizer. It will not foam up really well on the skin, so I thought it will not cleanse my skin that well. But to my surprise, it stays very gentle, but it can cleanse your skin. Like, it won't cleanse the skin like a proper strong cleanser, but it is quite good. If you ask me, it cleanses the skin well and it provides the moisturization and hydration into the skin, and it is so gentle on the skin. So if you have broken skin barrier issues, or if you have dry skin in general, if you are looking for a mild cleanser that can hydrate your skin, it can cleanse it very well, you can definitely give this one a try. I'll be repurchasing this product for sure because my skin barrier gets damaged now and then, so I need something like this. And while traveling also, my skin gets very irritated. I can use this product. Now coming to the third product, it is also one clay mask from Simple. It is their vitamin C clay mask. Even though they say it is a vitamin C clay mask, the vitamin C concentration is very less, but that's okay. They have like a couple of clays and niacinamide, ginger root extract and a little bit of vitamin C, and it works so well on my skin. During summertime, my skin gets greasy and oily as everybody's skin, so I need some good clay mask for my skin, and I thought of giving this one a try. And it is such a good clay mask. It cleanses and it cleans the pores very well, and the main thing is it adds brightness, and it adds like an instant glow to the skin. I don't know how it does that, but it does that. And the person opposite to you can literally feel you have used something on your skin, and your skin is looking very fresh. They will literally ask you what you have used on your skin. It works so well on the skin. So if you are looking for a good clay mask that can clean your pores very well, and that can add a lot of brightness, and that can make your skin look very fresh, you can definitely try the one from Simple. Coming to the next product, it is 100% pure organic and cold pressed argan oil from Juicy Chemistry. Actually, this retails for I think around 590 rupees or something, but Juicy Chemistry often offers 45% discount plus 5% additional discount if it is a prepaid order. So I consider Juicy Chemistry products at 50% off prices in general, because I buy them at 50% off only all the time. So yeah, this I bought it at around like 300 rupees, 300 or 275 something like that for 30 ml of this argan oil. This oil works very well on the hair. It makes my hair very soft, nourished, and it makes my hair look very healthy, and the quality of the oil is also very superior. Juicy Chemistry produces such high quality oils, so this is my next pick. If you have dry skin also, you can use argan oil on your skin. Do you know argan oil is called liquid gold because the kind of nutritional value it holds? So it is very good for your hair, it is very good for your skin. Definitely you can give this one a try if you are looking for a good argan oil. Yeah. Coming to the next product, it is a Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% from Minimalist. This comes at around 495 rupees, I think 499 rupees for 50 ml or something. Yeah, for 50 ml of the product. It has 5% Maleic bond repair complex, which is very good to repair hair shafts that are mainly damaged due to heat damage or chemically treated damage. So if you have dry, damaged or frizzy hair, you can definitely give this hair mask a try. I have already done a detailed review of this product, like how to use it and the correct way of using this product. You can go and check that out. I'll leave the link in the iCard and in the description box. So that's with the next product. And coming to the last product, this is the Aqualogica Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. I have talked about this sunscreen multiple times and this is my current favorite, so I thought why not include it in this video. It comes for around, I think, 350 rupees or something, and it has good ingredients like aloe vera, niacinamide, watermelon extract. But one thing is, it has benzophenone 3 as filter, so if you are not comfortable using benzophenone 3 in your sunscreen, then this is not the one for you. Otherwise, it is a very good sunscreen. It hydrates the skin very well. It adds a subtle glow and hydration to the skin. If you are from any skin type also, you can use this product, unless if you have very oily skin and if you are looking for something mattifying, then this is not the sunscreen option for you. Otherwise, it is a great sunscreen and it can be used by all skin types. So I thought of including this product in this video. So these are the 6 products under 500 rupees that I am currently enjoying a lot. I have made this similar kind of videos earlier also. I'll leave some of them in the description box. So if you are looking for best hidden gems under 500 rupees, you can find something for yourself. So yeah, with that I am wrapping up today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.